Hi everybody, welcome back. Next up on the workbench is this Revell GMC pickup with the snowplow kit. Since winter is coming on and Christmas in about 10 days, I do something Christmassy, wintry. So doing the snowplow. I've got all the parts mostly apart and cleaned up. The wheels here, I tried one of the tires off of the Revell Jeep kit. It's a little bigger. I'm going to see if those will fit on there. I've got the shocks painted, the gas tank in red, got the engine all painted and put together. It's all pretty much complete there, ready to go on the chassis. I haven't put it on the chassis yet because I've got all the components on there, the suspension and steering drivetrain, all glued to the chassis and airbrushed with Stynylrez black primer. I've also got the bottom of the interior tub done in black primer and the bottom of the pickup box in black primer. So next I'll do some detail painting on the chassis here and on the drivetrain, and probably do some rusting up, get the engine in and the shocks on. Then I can try the tires and pick a color and do the body paint colors. So I'm here working at the workbench on this Revell GMC pickup truck with the snowplow. And I have another kit in my stash here that I noticed is pretty similar, the Revell 76 Chevy Sport step-side 4x4. I pulled it out to compare it, and a lot of similarities, except for the fact that it's a short box and step-side. The wheels the wheels are different, the tires are the same. It's got a Chevy grille instead of a GMC grille. The body is the same, the chassis is the same, the tires are the same. The chrome mags are different on this one. A lot of the parts though are similar. There's a difference on the decal sheet. The one for the Chev step side has more. It's got gauges, a cover for the gauges on the dash, chrome stripes, seat belts, floorboards for the bed and striping. The one for the snowplow doesn't have so much. It's got mostly snowplow oriented things here. So I think what I was planning on doing, I'll build them both at the same time because they're both all the same chassis and everything. A little bit different. It's the same engine, but this one's got a fuel injector system and the other's got an air cleaner. So I'm going to try and build them both at the same time. Okay, I'm back at the workbench. I thought I'd better do a little update. The two builds that are going on here, the GMC pickup with the snowplow and the 76 Chevy Sport pickup. And I'm doing them both at the same time. They're both basically the same kit, just a few minor changes. Got the two instruction sheets going here as I check off the parts. Got the step side bed put together here. The roll bar is just in loose there just to get it glued into shape. The tailgate opens and closes. Got the wheel backs painted black and then silver over that. I've got the two chassis done pretty much the same. I think the only difference is the shocks are red on this one and yellow on this one. Gunmetal and silver and over flat black on those. I got the two engines done about the same. The only difference is this one has fuel injection and the other one on the step side has an air filter on there. So got that on there, just letting that dry. They're sealed up with Future, and I'm going to get these into primer, get the body parts into primer now, and begin the painting process.